A bomb exploded, leaving a large hole under the class. The boy was just carrying a large box of explosives, when suddenly the entire box caught flames. Everyone panicked and ran away from the bomb. Just then, the box exploded, leaving a large hole in the class. Before anyone had time to react, lava suddenly started flowing from the hole and started burning everything. What happened next is unbelievable. You would be shocked to see what happened. But quick, which food would you give to your mother? Broccoli? Ignore this video. McDonald's, leave a like. Lunchly, comment a heart emoji. Pizza, subscribe. Sushi, share this video with 3 friends. Donuts, do everything. But what is your mother's favorite food? The kids had an idea to throw a sword at a crack dripping water. In an instant, water gushed in and filled the class, cooling the lava and saving everyone.